There are times that we have some code in our working directory that we want to throw away. Let's say we made some changes, but we didn't like those changes, so we want to scratch everything and start over. We can discard the local changes using the restore command. So here we have some local changes in file1.js. To undo these changes, we type git restore file1.js. When we execute this command, Git is going to take the version of this file in the next environment, which is our staging environment. It's going to take that version and copy into our working directory. We can also use a period here, and this will undo all the local changes. Now, let me show you something. So the command is executed. Now let's run another short status. But file2 is still here. Why is that? Well, this is a new untracked file, so Git hasn't been tracking this. So when we tell Git to restore this file, Git doesn't know where to get a previous version of this file. It doesn't exist in our staging environment or in our repository. So to remove all these new untracked files, we have to type git clean. Now take a look. By default, we get this fatal error saying require force defaults to true, and neither of these switches were given. So basically, Git is telling us that, hey, this is a dangerous operation. If you accidentally remove these untracked files, there is no way you can recover them. So let's run git clean -h for a quick help. Here we have this option, -f, which forces Git to remove these untracked files. We also have -d for removing whole directories. So quite often we type git clean -fd. Now, let's run short status again. File2 is gone. So this is how we undo local changes.